In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a quick chess game on chess.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from the home page to your first move with just a few clicks, and you'll understand the small settings that shape the pace of your game. First, head to chess.com and log into your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the site's main area and you're good to go. If not, sign in as you normally do and give the page a moment to load completely. Being logged in ensures you're matched fairly and your results are saved to your profile. A stable connection helps here, since the site will pair you in real time with another player. Next, move your mouse to the top navigation and hover over the play button. Don't click just yet, simply resting your cursor there opens a quick menu. This is the fastest way to reach the live playing area. Hovering lets you preview your options without leaving the page, and it's especially handy if you're still getting familiar with the layout. Now click play. This takes you to the main playing interface, where you'll see a board preview, your profile details, and the big controls for starting a match. This page is designed for quick pairing, so you don't need to configure much unless you want to. If you're aiming to jump right into a standard game, you're exactly where you need to be. To begin, click the large Start Game button. This instantly searches for an opponent and pairs you based on your rating and the selected time control. If you want to change the pace before you start, look for the time control indicator, often something like 10 minutes, and click it to choose a different option. Longer times like 10 minutes give you room to think, while shorter times like 5 or 3 minutes make for fast, tactical play. Pick the one that suits your mood, then go back and hit Start Game. As soon as you're paired, the board loads and the clock appears. Keep an eye on your time from the first move so you're not caught off guard. That's it. Go to chess.com and log in, hover over play, click play, and either hit Start Game for a quick match or adjust the time control first if you want a different pace. Once you're in, enjoy the game, trust your instincts, and have fun improving with every move.